In my previous video, I set up a paid ads campaign for one of the CPA offers in MaxBounty, and I spent $25. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much we made or how much we lost. I'm super excited to show you the results. You're going to be mind blown. Now this is the second part of the case study where I'm going to be showing you guys the results, and I'm going to be showing you guys how much clicks we got and how much leads we got and how much money we made. Before we get started, I want you to subscribe, hit that like button, and watch this video till the very end because you're going to be mind blown by the results. Now I'm not going to waste any more time. Let me give away my course to one of you guys that commented on my latest video. So this is my previous video. This is the part 1 of the case study where I set up the campaign. So let me copy the link. Okay, let's just see how much comments we got. So this video has 120 comments, so you guys have a pretty good chance of winning. So let me paste the link and let's filter duplicate users and add specific text, which was giveaway. So there's 40 unique comments, so this is a pretty good chance of winning, in my opinion. So let's go ahead and start the raffle. So congratulations, Equal Galaxy. You are the lucky winner. You have commented giveaway. You have followed all the steps to join. Congratulations, you have won my CPA Marketing Mastery free traffic course. Now I'm going to pop up my email on the screen right now. Make sure to send me an email. I'm going to give you access to my course as soon as I see it. So guys, if you also want to enter the giveaway in my next video, these are the 5 rules to join. Number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2, smash that like button below. Number 3, comment giveaway. Number 4, share this video on social media with your friends and family. And number 5, this is a must, make sure to watch this entire video from beginning. Now if you want to get started with CPA marketing as soon as today, and you want to start a CPA marketing business from the comfort of your home, then make sure to click the first link below this video. You're going to get redirected to a page like this. You can scroll through the page, watch the video, watch the testimonials, read more about me, what I do, and there's a bunch of modules inside the course. You can even check out the membership area, what you're going to get once you join. It's only $47, super cheap, and there's a bunch of value inside the course, super valuable. All the people that take action see results with my course, okay? So guys, if you want to get enrolled today and start making your very first online commissions, then click the first link below this video and don't hesitate to join. Now without further ado, let me show you guys my Adstero account and let me show you guys how much impressions we got and how much we spent. So as you can see in my Adstero account, we have spent $25.04 and we have gotten 13,800 impressions. So the campaign was launched on the January of the 2nd and it ran till the January of the 3rd. So it ran for 2 days and with a total of $25 spent. So guys, let me show you my MaxBounty back office. This is the moment we have all been waiting for, and let me show you guys if we have made money or if we have lost money. So boom, this is the back office of MaxBounty, and as you can see, this is the offer that we have promoted. So yesterday, okay, and we have gotten 8,006 clicks to the offer, 103 leads with a conversion rate of 1.28%, and we have made $195.70 with an average earnings per click of 2 cents. So this is absolutely mind-blowing, guys. The results of this campaign are absolutely mind-blowing. So let me pop up the calculator real quick and show you the profit. So $195 in sales minus $25 in ad spend, and we have a profit of $170. So this campaign was a total success. I actually can't believe it myself. Now, unfortunately for you guys, I have decided that I'm not going to be optimizing and showing you all the details in my tracking system back office because this campaign was a success. The ROI is absolutely through the roof. So unfortunately for you guys, I'm not going to be showing you guys all the details in the back office and optimizing it in this video. Now, ask yourself, what would you do in my place? I'm gonna actually keep the campaign for myself. I'm gonna optimize it, and I'm gonna see how much money I can make with this campaign in total in the next couple of days. Now, I hope you're not too upset. Actually, when I was making the campaign in my previous video in part number 1, I thought that I'm gonna make a couple dollars, a couple dollars in profit. Now, I even thought that I might lose money, but this was just a case study for you guys to see if we can make profit or not. But I hope you understand and I hope you're not mad at me. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this campaign for myself and I'm gonna see how much money I can make in the long run. So as you can see guys, this stuff really does work. You just have to take action, test out that campaign, and you never know, you might be lucky just like me and you might hit the jackpot on your first campaign. Now, $170 isn't really that much, but if you can optimize this campaign properly, you might make, $150, $200 per day for the next couple of days. Now, I'm happy with the results. This was a success from my end, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, guys, if you're on a very, very tight budget and you don't want to risk losing money, then I have a good solution for you. Click the first link below and you're going to see my CPA Marketing Mastery free traffic course. In this course, I have 100% free marketing options like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Craigslist. I even have Instagram influencers. Now, I utilize these exact traffic sources myself every single day to make a full-time income online. Now, if you go over my free traffic course and you take action and you start driving traffic consistently with the strategies that I teach, I can guarantee that you can make a couple $1,000s per month with just free marketing strategies. So this is the best time to join, and if you want to start a CPA marketing business from the comfort of your home and start seeing success online, start making your first commissions online, then this course is 100% for you. I highly recommend you get enrolled as soon as today. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, and also, if you want to get enrolled in the course, make sure to follow the 5 steps that I have mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.